Traders, welcome back. Thank you for joining me. It is a Monday morning here in the UK. Just got up and opened up the computer, cup of coffee, ready to begin the day's work. Let's talk over some charts and positions. There's quite a lot happening within the market. I have a position open also. I have two positions actually, one in crypto, one in the forex market, and there is a few levels for us to watch on some sterling pairs, dollar pairs. So without further ado, let's get into it. So I have a short open on Bitcoin currently. I did try and short this yesterday. I did put this on my Twitter. I had a fairly good entry on Bitcoin, but obviously prices pumped a lot higher. This is the daily time frame. Price is still trapped within this range. Don't be surprised if price does make its way up to the 42k level to test again. However, I do think price is very overextended, overbought, and I think we're due a pullback and due a correction. That's pretty much why I shorted down here at this level yesterday. We were due the same thing. However, after such a violent move to the upside, I think it's much more likely now. We've got this wick here, indecision candle. I am short on Bitcoin. Easily pull back to this support level. We definitely due a retracement. It's just simple setup really. Price is overextended. We can definitely profitably short this. Even if price moved higher, we can short further into the future, and we'll just gain back this short position. If price does start moving, I might actually add to this position, as I've only got a very small amount wagered on this trade. Now, the forex market, there is a few interesting levels to watch. US dollar, Canadian dollar, I am short. We've broken this trend line. Price could pop up and retest this trend line, so it's only a small position. But I do think after this extended move to the upside, we are due some more retracement, at least down to this support level here, the 1.25 level. So I'm short on US dollar, Canadian dollar. Should be a nice trade for this pair. Next pair, pound Japanese yen. I am holding off longing this. I really want to jump into a long position. We've got a very nice setup on the weekly time frame. Have this previous level of resistance, which is now held as support and retested. Now look at this pin bar on the weekly time frame. Extreme pin bar. This is about as bullish as you can find. If you scroll back through any kind of pair or any trading asset, and you find these pin bars on really high time frames, you can see here how price moved to the upside quite considerably. I'm expecting the same thing to happen here. We need to break this level of resistance on the daily time frame, and obviously clear this trend line. Don't be surprised if price does shoot back down. This sometimes does happen, but that weekly pin bar is looking very, very bullish. If we can move above this level and find some support, I would definitely be taking a buy position on a pound Japanese yen. Again, if we reject off this level, considering what type of rejection we can get, we could short back down to this support level here, and still overall that pin bar weekly long play is still intact. Let's move over to soybeans. Soybeans I'm watching. I did want to short this when we broke this trend line, but I feel it's worth holding off for the meantime. I am still bullish. I think price is going to continue higher. It was just getting out of this kind of price rhythm that we have here. Trend line is broken. Let's just wait and see what happens. If we can get a move down on a bounce off this support, that would offer us a trading opportunity. Let's see what happens with price over the next 2 days. You can see on the lower time frames, it's making a lower low here and attempting to move higher. Let's just see what happens. Soybeans, I will be watching very closely. Gold, obviously, I'm still waiting to long here. After some thought, I think it's probably wise to not trade gold until it's broken out of this range here. We do have the 50 MA over the top, keeping price kind of capped within this level of resistance here. I do want to long it, but it's been very sticky at the moment. I think we should move on from gold. I do have a swing trade open on this pair, but I think entering a trade any time soon, it's just a bit too risky. We need price to start trending and actually get some kind of market structure going for gold before we can actually jump in and add another long position. I think that is about it. I don't want to watch too many pairs. I am watching pound Australian dollar, hoping the sterling goes higher, but I think it's a better trade to to trade the yen pair. That's pretty much it. Just a quick update on the positions I have open. Just the short on Bitcoin, the long potential on sterling, and the short on US dollar, Canadian dollar. I will post another video later in the week, update you on these positions. Probably on Wednesday, and let's see how things go for soybeans over the next couple of days. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you follow me on Twitter, Instagram, if you want more insights on my daily life, and to follow my actual trades. See you all in a couple of days. Thank you.